Hello everyone, welcome to the channel where I explore the latest and greatest in technology and innovation. In today's video, I'm going to talk about one of the most ambitious and controversial projects in the history of robotics, the Tesla bot. The Tesla bot, also known as Optimus Gen 2, is a humanoid robot that is designed to perform tasks that are dangerous, repetitive, or boring for humans. It is powered by the same artificial intelligence system that Tesla is developing for its self-driving cars. But how did Tesla come up with this idea, and what are the challenges and opportunities of creating such a robot? Let's find out. The Tesla bot was first announced by Elon Musk, the CEO of Tesla, at the company's AI Day event on August 19, 2021. Musk claimed that Tesla would likely build a prototype by 2022 and that the robot would eventually be able to do anything that humans don't want to do. He also said that the robot would be friendly and that humans would be able to outrun and overpower it if necessary. The announcement was met with skepticism and criticism by many experts and commentators who questioned the feasibility, the ethics, and the purpose of the project. Some argued that Tesla was engaging in mission creep and diverting from its core business of electric vehicles and clean energy. Others pointed out that Tesla had a history of overpromising and under-delivering on its products and timelines. And others raised concerns about the social and economic impacts of replacing humans with robots. However, Tesla was undeterred by the negative reactions and continued to work on the Tesla bot project. In April 2022, Tesla displayed a model of the robot at its Cyber Rodeo event in Texas, and Musk said that he hoped to have the robot production ready by 2023. In June 2022, Musk revealed that the first prototype would not look like the model, but would have a different design. In September 2022, Tesla showcased two semi-functional prototypes of the robot at its second AI Day event. One prototype was able to walk on the stage and wave at the audience, while another, sleeker version could move its arms. In September 2023, Tesla released a video demonstrating the robot's new abilities, such as sorting colored blocks, locating its limbs in space, and maintaining a yoga pose. And on December 13, 2023, Musk's Twitter page released a video titled Optimus, in which it showed the Optimus Gen 2, the next generation of the humanoid robot. The Optimus Gen 2 features all Tesla-designed actuators and sensors and has a more refined and futuristic appearance. It also has improved speed, balance, and weight. According to the video, the robot can walk 30% faster than the previous version and has a 10-kilo weight reduction. It can also perform a squat while balancing itself and has new hands that have 11 degrees of freedom and tactile finger sensors. The robot is trained with neural networks end to end and can perform tasks autonomously or with human guidance. Tesla claims that the Optimus Gen 2 is the most advanced humanoid robot in the world, and that it plans to use it in its own manufacturing operations soon. It also says that the robot will be mass-produced and cost less than a car, and that it will be available to the public sometime between 2025 and 2027. But what are the implications of creating such a robot? And what are the challenges and opportunities that lie ahead? On one hand, the Tesla bot could be a game changer for humanity, as it could potentially solve many problems and improve many aspects of life. For example, the robot could help with disaster relief, healthcare, agriculture, education, entertainment, and more. It could also reduce the drudgery and risks of many jobs and free up humans to pursue more creative and fulfilling activity. It could also contribute to the transition to a sustainable and clean energy future, as it would use renewable sources of power and reduce the need for fossil fuels. On the other hand, the Tesla bot could also pose many risks and challenges for humanity, as it could potentially create new problems and worsen existing ones. For example, the robot could disrupt the employment market and cause unemployment, inequality, and social unrest. It could also pose ethical, legal, and moral dilemmas, such as who is responsible for the robot's actions, how to ensure the robot's safety and security, and how to protect the rights and dignity of humans and robots. It could also raise existential questions such as what is the meaning and purpose of human life, and what is the role and destiny of humanity in the age of artificial intelligence. These are some of the questions and issues that we will have to face and address as the Tesla bot becomes a reality. Whether the Tesla bot will be a blessing or a curse for humanity depends on how we design, develop, regulate, and use it. It also depends on how we adapt. What do you think about the Tesla bot? Do you think it is a good idea or a bad idea? Do you think it is possible or impossible? Do you think it is exciting or scary? Let me know in the comments below. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to 5-Minute Tech Time for more videos on technology and innovation. See you next time. And before I go, I want to give a shout out to one of my inspirations for this video, the classic TV series, The $6 Million Man. This show is about a former astronaut who was severely injured in a crash and was rebuilt with bionic implants that gave him superhuman ability. He then became a secret agent for the government, using his bionics to fight evil. The show's opening narration had a memorable catchphrase: "We can rebuild him, we have the technology." Well, it seems that Tesla is trying to do just that with the Tesla bot, but will it be as successful as the $6 million man? Or will it be a $6 billion mistake? Only time will tell. Until then, stay tuned and stay curious. Bye for now.